What's up, guys? Sorry about that. What's up, guys? Hope everyone's had a good 3-day weekend and is ready to get back into the market. Um, on Monday, futures are up. Dow's up about 200, Nasdaq about 100, and the S&P 500's up about 20 points. Bitcoin's sitting around 36,800 right now. It's about 45 minutes until the bell. And I'm just going to go over a few stocks I'm looking to see have some growth over the next week. I've been holding growing, GRWG, while I have equity, which I've been holding for a long time, and through these ups and downs here. So as you can see, I kind of see this inverse head and shoulders here on GRWG. If it can get up above 53.33-ish, and then get above 53.41, which I don't know if it will happen, I definitely look to get some contracts for the upside, because as you can see, once it breaks into a new all-time high, right, every time it hit a new all-time high, it surged a few extra dollars right here, broke all-time highs here. Also add this, extend this to the right. Okay, next one I have CCIV. Now this one is, just look at it over the last 5 days. Went from $10 to 18.36. Now after hours, oh, it has had a big sell-off to 17.73. There must be some news about it. It says it's making a statement after inquires from shareholders unusual trading in shares. So that's happening as we're talking. If this is bad news, stay away from the stock. But it could be good news that turns the stock around to all-time highs. But that is, as you can see, right from 1940, a huge drop-off, which is unfortunate. Now let's just take a look at XPEV, which is up. Oop. XPEV, right, up after hours. Look, this hit a high of 56 the other day. I mean, just 4 days ago in the after hours, of course, then opened up lower. It's looking to begin to reverse, bumped off this 48.6, right? I'm looking to ride this out to 55, 57 if we can get back up there. One stock that's super cheap right now, SWI, Solar Winds Corporation. Look for a bounce back here. It's starting to cup. It's starting to get up there, right? It was a $24 stock, had a big drop off. Look for that. Any more? Penn and DKNG. These are pretty high right now, right? But mostly Penn, right? I'd buy maybe getting up there closer to its high of 107, I believe, just because there's some rumors that more states are gonna legalize. Look at all these lines. Get rid of that one. Whatever. As you can see, just more states are gonna legalize this thing, so just need to be careful with putting too much in. But as you saw, Cuomo kind of talked about it. Texas is now talking about it, so sports betting should get a little ramp up this week if we get some news out of it, but if not, that's fine. CLOV, Clove, hit a high of double top of around $18, came down. I think this is going to reverse right here and see some upside this week. It needs just a little bit more volume. As you can see, it's up about 50 cents in the pre-market. I think we could see 15, 16 over the next week or two. Just because this is one of the good SPACs that has already turned into an actual company. So just look at that. Those are just a few stocks to look at this week. Again, look at the Facebook bounce back. I mean, I'm looking at this, right? Bounce off resistance to the upside, right? I'm hoping that it can try to turn its form. If we look at SPY almost bounced off this little resistance. If we extend to the left, right? Bounced off this resistance. Get rid of this line right here. That's a good sign right there, right? So we'll see if it comes down a little bit after open, but I think we can see. I hope nothing bad happens so that the market will crash, but I hope we bounce back and kind of hit some all-time highs this week. But you know, that's best case scenario. But I hope everyone has a good trading week. Um, I'll do some recaps throughout the week, some new stocks that I'm thinking about. But yeah, happy trading.